So you want to make money online without spending a single dime. Sounds too good to be true, don't it? But here's the truth. Brands are begging for your help, and they'll pay you to do it. You don't need a website, no fancy tools, not even a paid ads will work. Just your time, your hustle, and an internet connection. Today I'm going to show you the $0 method to start earning affiliate income, even if your wallet's emptier than a soda can at a summer barbecue. The problem? Why free feels so hard. Most guides out there require you to pay upfront just to get started. They'll tell you you got to buy the hosting, you got to run these ads, you got to invest in all these tools. And you're sitting there thinking, well, I'm trying to make money, not spend it. That upfront investment becomes a wall, blocking people with big dreams but small budgets. Here's the breakthrough. $0 required. This is your permission slip to start earning with nothing but your time and determination. Yes, you can build affiliate income for free starting today. No tricks, no gimmicks, it's just smart strategy, sweat, equity, and showing up. Number one, the foundation, why free works. Most affiliate programs are free to join. Brands want exposure, and you are the secret weapon. No paid ads are needed, no tech wizardry, just consistency, value-driven content. Number two, choose a profitable niche. There's no wallet needed in this one. Start where your passion meets demand. Use Google Trends to spot what's hot. Browse Reddit, Quora, or YouTube comments to uncover hidden pain points. Love, fitness, parenting, budget, travel. There's a niche for that. And free programs ready to pay you. Number three, legitimate free affiliate programs. Here's the rule, number one rule. If it asks for money, walk away. Legitimate programs are free to join, such as Amazon Associates, ClickBank, ShareASale, and individual brand programs. Look for stuff you like, things you would recommend even if you weren't getting paid. But getting paid sure does feel nice, right? Number four, master free traffic and promotional tactics. It's time to spread the word without spending a cent. Go to YouTube. Simple reviews or tutorials. Add your link in the description. TikTok shorts, helpful videos plus link in bio. Medium, write guides and list articles. It's free and it ranks. Pinterest, Facebook groups, Reddit, Quora. Join conversations, be helpful, and weave in affiliate links naturally. It's about value first, sales second. Number five, get your affiliate links and use them right. You'll receive a unique tracking link for each product and add it to where it naturally fits, such as blog posts, video descriptions, bios, and so on. And here's the golden rule. Always disclose information people that it's an affiliate link. It builds trust and maintains transparency. Number six, trust equals long-term success. Want repeat clicks and long-term income? Be real, be helpful, be honest. Share what you like, but always what you don't. Respond to comments, be present. The best affiliates aren't salespeople, they're problem solvers. Time equals money, your greatest asset. Let's be clear, $0 doesn't mean zero work. You're swapping cash for effort, time, and a dash of creative grind. But with steady action, real results follow. Keep building and your free efforts will stack into serious earnings. Here's a quick recap. You want to pick a niche. You want to join a free program. Create helpful content. Use your links wisely. Build trust and not hype. Now listen, if this video gave you hope, sparked a new idea, or offered a fresh perspective, please like, subscribe, and share your niche idea in the comments below. And hey, check out the description below for links and resources I mentioned, all for free, all for you. You don't need $1 to start. It was just a dream, a bit of grind, and a Wi-Fi signal. This is affiliate marketing with $0 down and unlimited potential up. Now go out there and turn time into treasure. As always, this is Scott. Peace and progress.